Hello. This is Lowdown. We're gonna go fly the drone today on the west coast. Can you see me? Making healthy choices. I'm also apparently in control of the music. And he's loving it. Loving it! Poppy cam. Poppy! How do you feel about your practice with the drone?
Oh, I love it. This is the view we're getting.
That's gonna look nice. Going to look quite nice. I'm gonna give you like a pan of where we are from the ground a little bit, and we will insert the footage of the drone right now.
That's us. We finished the vlog. We're back home just now.
It's the next day.
It's the next day. It's a lovely day. It's quite sunny.
I love you.
No. I love you too.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. As usual, it's always a pleasure to create videos for you. I hope you like this kind of video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked it, so we know to make more content like this. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, which is going to be floating around here somewhere. Maybe put it there.
Like here.
Or like right here. And you're going to be seeing...
Did you see the ghost like behind the door? Like somebody
You're going to be seeing so much more from us soon. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you never miss anything and you don't miss any of the upcoming travels that we're going to be going on. We've noticed that we have a lot of travellers following us at the moment, so we're going to do a quick question of the day so we can get to know you a little bit better. And we want to know, where is your favourite place in the world that you have ever visited? Leave a comment down below and let us know, and then maybe in the future we'll go there. Because you said that. As usual, guys, thanks so much for watching, and you're going to be seeing so much more from us.
You're going to be seeing this face a lot.
This nice face.
Stop. I'm not nice.
Yeah.
I don't have a nice face.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Okay, bye. Bye bye.